Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Septia Wulandari with student number A1B221105. In this video, I want to present my research proposal with the title Exploring EFL Students' Perspective on Developing Thesis Statement in Argumentative Essay, a Qualitative Study. So, why I can conduct this title is based on the problem that almost EFL students face in writing argumentative essay, that is, of course, writing thesis statement. Thesis statement is a single sentence or a brief paragraph that states the main argument or claim of an essay. It serves as a roadmap for the essay, providing the reader with a general idea of what the essay will cover, and it also helps the writer to organize their ideas. This part is very crucial to begin writing argumentative essay, but EFL students are still often misled to write thesis statement. They may be too broad or too narrow, making it difficult to clearly define the scope of the essay. A thesis statement should be clear, concise, and specific. It should be developed based on the ideas discussed in the introduction and the supporting argument discussed in the body of the essay. A good thesis statement can also help the reader to understand the importance of the essay. So from this research problem, I conduct two research questions. So for the first is, how do EFL students typically struggle in developing thesis statement for their argumentative essay? And the second is, how do EFL students overcome difficulties in the writing thesis statement by employing effective strategies and techniques? So for the purpose is first to understand and know the challenges faced by EFL students in writing thesis statements and to identify the factors that contribute to those challenges. And the second is to know the strategies that EFL students overcoming those difficulties. And for the significances of the research, so for the first, for EFL lectures, so this research can be useful for lectures in teaching argumentative essay, especially to create better thesis statements so that EFL students don't often have difficulties during practice. And the second is for the students. So this study may be valuable for students who are having similar difficulties writing thesis statement in argumentative essay and may be able to employ the average strategies or solution. Next is for research design. So I use qualitative case study, and this research design involves a deep exploration of a particular case using in-depth interview, observation, and documentation. And for participation, I choose students who have studied and taken reading and writing courses at the English Education Department at UNB University. And for data collection, for the first, I took documentation for argumentative essay of the students, and I do interview for each of them. I also conduct the theory from Alice Oshima and Hook Theory 2006, and this theory is led me to do this paper because it's provide the criteria of better or good thesis statement. And the previous study, I found one of the research from Wulandari 2021. Then the title is English Students' Difficulties in Developing Thesis Statement in Writing Argumentative Essay at Muhammadiyah University of Bengkulu. So this article discussed a study conducted at Muhammadiyah University of Bengkulu, Indonesia, where researchers explored the difficulties the English language students face in developing a thesis statement for argumentative essay. So the differences between this study and mine is just conducted that face it challenges by students, but in my research, it is also conducted the solution or strategies that EFL student can use to overcoming the challenges. So I think that's all my explanation. I'm sorry for the mistake. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.